Okay, when you're ready, off you go. Okay, so don't cross the white light, stay on the left.
It's very weird to drive the car
on the right hand side. Yeah, onto the brakes, a little bit harder.
Yeah,
harder. Yeah.
Okay.
Here on the left, keep it going. We're going to have a GTR coming on the right, so just stick to the left. Keep it going, stick to the left. He's passing us on the right now.
Yeah.
If you go back to the right, get to that cone, beautiful. Keep it going, very nice. Aim for the cone there on the left. Okay, so you're going to get onto the brakes, off the brakes, look towards the inside, get on the power,
Yeah.
open it up now to the right. Beautiful. Brakes ever so slightly here, settle the car.
Yeah.
Okay, now off. Wait, sit in the middle. There we go, build the power towards the inside. Power, 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 tighter power, more power, promise you power.
Does that not flip?
No, I promise you, not at all. Come on, you gotta trust the tires. Onto the brakes, hard. Harder. Ease off, turn in tight. Tighter, you can turn more.
Shit.
Yeah, I promise you, keep it going.
Damn.
There's plenty grip available.
Seriously, it grips.
It's proper. On the brakes. Off the brakes, tight. I need you inside. There we go. Build the power. No brakes. Keep going. Keep going.
No
power,
brakes.
Power, power, power. There we go. Keep going all the way up the hill. Back to the left. Nice. Beautiful. Aim for the tree on the left. That's the left, yeah.
Ah, sorry, left.
That's the other left, don't I? Onto the brakes. Yeah.
Okay. Brakes.
Yeah. Now
Sorry.
off. Turn in tight.
I should have went the other way.
Yeah, that's okay. Accelerate now.
Yeah.
Middle of the track.
Yeah.
There we go. Keep it there. Keep it there. Keep it there. Keep it there. More power. 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 Back to it. You're gonna need to trust me for this corner.
Yeah.
Okay, so keep going to the right.
Okay.
I will tell you when to brake. Off the power. Little bit of brake. Off now. Wait. Sit in the middle. Now tighter towards the inside. Build the power. I want more power. Come, trust me. Power. Power. Power.
You
power,
sure?
Power. There we go.
Damn.
Come on. Onto the brakes. Hard on the brakes. Harder. Much more. Brake. Tight.
Oh, that's a tight one.
There we go. Keep it going.
You know, first time you have to trust the tires.
Of course.
I tell you that.
On the brakes. Turn in tight. There we go. I'm going to tuck in here into the pit lane. Beautiful. Very nicely
Very
done.
nice.
Nice drive.
Thank you, man.
It's an absolute pleasure. Very
Thank
good
you,
job.
same here.
Very,
Thank
very
you.
good job. Onto the brakes.
Just trying to see. This is it's very interesting. You really have to trust the tires.
See, but okay, so you must remember,
Yeah.
is this kind of driving is completely different to normal driving.
Correct.
Anyway, okay, you
Correct.
need to really trust the product.
Correct.
Okay, yourself as well as the vehicle you are in.
Correct.
And that's why I'm saying to you, you listen what the car is telling you. And that's the phenomenal thing about these tires is I drove one of these cars on a set of competitors.
Yeah.
Okay, and let me tell you, I was incredibly surprised at how much grip is available on these PS4Ss.
Versus the other one.
Versus, and as well how quiet they are. In comparison.
Unbelievable. This is gonna be footage